Okay, hi, it's Tony with ThomkattLeather again. It's been a little over a week since we did our last video. Um, what we have here is going to be a bracelet from the kit that we had purchased. I've already got a weave design kind of drawn out already, and we're going to be using that. We're going to be using the swivel knife, the ballpoint awl, and then also the beveler that came with the kit. So here we go. I guess I'll make me a little room and we'll get started. Alright, just going to get a little bit of water to wet the leather down, and as you can see, I've already got a couple of marks pre-done showing me where the center is, so that when I put the design on, it'll show up, and that's just with the regular pencil. Alright, we're going to let this dry up and then we'll be right back in a few moments. Okay, we're back. The leather's dried up a little bit, as you can see. And as you see also, I have a piece of marble here that's great. I got it from one of the countertop places here in town. Just called them up and said, hey, do you have any sink cutouts? They said, yeah, come pick it up. We throw them in the trash. So it was free. So that's always a good thing. So call around and see what's available. Now we're going to scratch in our pattern, trying to make sure it is even on both sides as much as I can. And that looks pretty good there, so let's get started. And once I'm done doing this here, I will be using the swivel knife to cut in all of these lines. And once that's done, I'm going to use the beveler and do some beveling and try to make it look like it's actual kind of woven in. So this isn't a super difficult pattern, but for a beginner, I don't think it's going to be really super easy either. So. And this will be the first time using the marble stone, so this will definitely give us an interesting turnout and see how, or not necessarily turnout, but see what happens with the, well, if my brain would function. We'll see how the actual beveling and using with the hammer, see the difference with less of a bounce back from the regular stuff that I've been using, the regular countertop. Okay, and there's our pattern. Now let's take our swivel knife, and as you can see, I did miss my marks by just a little bit, but that's okay. We'll get that perfected out later. And I'm going to do my best to basically move my leather and not try to work around my leather. And I'm not going to bring all of my swivel knife cuts all the way to the next swivel knife cut. And you'll have to excuse my cats, they're running around a little bit tonight. But yeah, that way you don't get a heavy corner that will pill up. And as you see, I did one angle, and we'll do one angle at a time. So we'll just go down and do the other side. And there's that. And now basically when I'm beveling, I just have to pick out where I want to bevel at. So I'm going to bevel this one, and then I'm just going to go back and forth. So all the ones coming this way are going to be beveled underneath, and then all these are going to be beveled underneath. And I can already tell that I'm getting better bevels with this stone. So this is definitely going to be a much better product. So this is actually helping a whole lot. And the one thing you definitely want to do is make sure as you're doing this, your strikes are at the same strength, so you're not lightening one up and then heavy on the next one. That way it keeps a smooth bevel. Okay, and that's gonna be it. Actually, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go through and bevel the outside edge because I just want to see how much that's gonna change the look of it. As you see, I'm trying to get a little bit faster with my edging or my beveling, and I'm missing a couple spots here and there, and I'm off a little bit here and there, but overall I think I'm doing okay. Once again, I'm moving my leather to my working ability, not me working around the leather. And that's what we're going to call done. As far as the beveling goes, we're going to go ahead and do the edge dressing on it, or not the edge dressing, but the putting the leather dressing on it to give it a little more color and bring out our beveling a little more. So let me get that out and we'll be ready to go. Okay, we're back. I've got my leather dressing here. So let's get this rubbed in. I've already shaken it up. And I've got some just basic, some shipping paper that came with probably my cat food or cat litter or something of that, something like that. So we're just gonna smear this on real good, and since this is a bracelet, I'm not going to do the back side of it. That way it doesn't transfer to skin. So, but I do believe, in my opinion, this is my best looking project yet. I've gotten better with each project. So I think that's going to be that for this one. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. If you think I could do something better, if you think I could do something worse, you know, let me know. I'll be glad to hear from you. Any comments, okay with me. So, yeah, and I'll leave a link to all the stuff again down in the comments or in the description. So, once again, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.